Welcome. Let me tell you about my Exploring the Depth of the Chen-style 36 Forms workshop. Chen-style is the original form of Tai Chi. It is powerful with spiral force, rooted in the ancient observation of the law of nature and full of internal energy, explosive force. The 36 forms capture the essence of Chen-style in a concise and accessible way, while still offering tremendous depth and richness. In this workshop, we shall explore the Chen-style 36 step by step. I will guide you through the inner principles, the open and hidden spiral force, known as the sealed wheeling force, and the unique balance of softness and explosive forces that make Chen-style so distinguished. During my 50 years of Tai Chi experience, my medical background, and my study with the creator of this set, Professor Kang, for many years, I will help you understand how to cultivate your Qi more effectively, improve your structure and flow, and express the true spiral force and the spirit of Chen-style. Throughout the workshop, my colleagues and I will offer clear, supportive feedback, highlighting what you are doing well and the points to refine and the best direction for developing your Chen-style Tai Chi. By the end of our time together, you will have a deeper appreciation of the 36 forms, stronger internal connections, and a clear pathway to continue improving and enjoying your Tai Chi, especially Chen-style Tai Chi. I welcome you to join me in exploring the depth, the power, the beauty of Chen-style 36 forms. Please be mindful that I'm going to work with you with the assumption that you are familiar with the Chen-style 36 form set. If you're not, that's still okay. Please prepare with my instructional online lessons or DVDs of this set before the workshop. You will enjoy it more and gain much more. In fact, the 36 is very complex, so preparation is really important to gain more out of this workshop. And I look forward to seeing you in this and other workshops.